You guys, imagine that smoky buffalo chicken on a soft, crispy baked roll. With gooey, melted cheese. You know you want some. I mean, I am so obsessed with all things buffalo chicken that I have an entire playlist on this channel for that type of recipes. From quesadillas to buffalo chicken bowls to salads, even tacos. If you think buffalo chicken is just for game day, let me tell you that buffalo chicken is for any day. With my all-purpose slow cooker buffalo chicken recipe where I just place the chicken inside the slow cooker, top it with buffalo sauce and let it cook until it's so easy to shred between two forks, you can use this amazing buffalo chicken for all sorts of meals, including these sliders. You might be wondering why we're baking these sandwiches, and while not necessary, there's something about biting into a soft, warm roll stuffed with everything you love. Here I have some leftover buffalo chicken from my slow cooker recipe, which you can find in the description box below. To assemble, I'm going to place the rolls on my baking pan. Today, I'm using these sweet Hawaiian rolls because not only are they the perfect size, but once baked, they become a sweet, soft pillow of goodness. Okay, next I'm gonna top the halves with the buffalo chicken, some green onions, a drizzle of ranch dressing, some blue cheese, and some provolone cheese slices. Now let's top these sliders with their corresponding halves. And before they go in the oven, I'm gonna cover these sliders with foil. This is to trap in the moisture so the rolls will get nice and soft and the cheese melts perfectly. Now these are ready to go in the oven. All right, you guys, these are done. Let's check them out, shall we? Look at that cheese action. Here it goes, guys. I'm definitely in my happy place with this slider. The bread is so soft and that buffalo chicken, I don't even know what to tell you. With the melted cheese, I do not care what plans you have for dinner, cancel them and make this. I'm also gonna link more buffalo chicken recipes after this video and right below. Of course, make sure to click that red subscribe button because a new video comes out every single week. Holy I don't even like this bread that much, but good thing I did a little extra workout today. You might be wondering why we're baking these sandwiches. And can you hear the frog?
Yeah. It's so loud.
Quack, 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 quack. Actually, that was a duck. That was that frog. They're like not frogs, they're like ginormous toads.